Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got my box from Amazon. Inside there are parts from my Honda Navi, and what's crazy is that everything inside this box cost me less than $40 each per item. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright guys, here's the box open. The packaging looks very good. Looks very legit. That's what I like to see when opening a box from Amazon. Alright, let's start with this Kemimoto box right here. Let's check out what's inside. Okay, so here's what's inside the box. It looks like the Fender Eliminator kit that I bought from Kemimoto. Oh, very cool. Made out of very sturdy aluminum, looks like. And then probably instructions, some additional nuts and screws that we need to actually install it. Alright, let's put it back in the box and see what's inside the other one. Okay, so here's what's inside the second box. These are the Kemimoto mirrors that I bought. These are supposedly supposed to also fit on the Honda Grom, so hopefully they fit on my Navi. Let's actually open this one up. Okay, very cool. You can see right there, they actually say Kemimoto on them. Pretty excited to put those on. And looks like there's some screws in here that you're probably gonna need to install them. Alright guys, so there you have it. Each item in here, like I said, costs less than $40. I think all of this together cost me about $72 actually, if I'm to be exact. Alright, so be sure to stay tuned as I will more than likely do an install video for these parts. I'll continue to try to do more of these types of videos in the future. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I really appreciate it.